Morning children, today's date is 25th October. The year is 2021. Today's day is Monday, and in our phonics class we'll be learning the sound for letter V. Is letter V. So the one that you see, the big one, is the capital V, and this is the lowercase v, but in the printed format. When I say printed, that means the way you will see it in your computer, in your books. Yes, when we print it, this is the way letter V is typed. Yes, so the name of the letter is V, but coming to the sound for this letter is V. Yes, so you have to put your upper teeth, yes, on your lower lips, just behind your lower lips, and make the sound V. Okay, so the name of the letter is V and the sound is V. Again, this is lowercase cursive v, the way we'll write it in our book. Yes, we'll be learning to write this next week. So this is letter V, lowercase, and the sound remains the same. The sound for letter V is V, as in van, vampire. Few pictures that begin with the sound V. Let's start from here. This is vacuum. Yes, vacuum is used to clean things. It's a vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Van. Vulture. It's a bird. Vulture. Village. Vine. Yes, it's a creeper. It's not a tree or a plant, it's a creeper. So we call it vine. Violin. Vet. Now who is a vet? Yeah, the doctor for animals is called a vet. Vase. Yes, it is used to arrange beautiful flowers in it. Victory. Yes, when you win a game or any sport, what you get is a cup and a medal. Yes, so when you win, another word for winning is victory. Volcano. Yes, this is again a mountain and hot lava comes out of it. That's called volcano. Vegetables. Yes, so all these pictures began with the sound V. Let's do it once again. Vacuum. Van. Vulture. Village. Vine. Violin. Vet. Vase. Victory. Volcano. Vegetables. Yes, so they all began with the letter V, and the sound for letter V is V. Small passage, yes, wherein there will be many words that begin with the sound V, that begin with the letter V. Okay, so this is about flowers. So this is about a flower called violet. This is the name of a flower. There's a color as well. We have a color, violet color, and there's a flower as well called violet. That's purple in color, violet in color. Okay, so let's read this passage. Vicky likes violet. The word Vicky again begins with the sound V, and violet begins with the sound V. Violet is the flower of spring. When the days get longer and the birds sing, the violet has heart-shaped leaves. So this is telling you more about the flower. Yes, the leaves of this flower is of heart shape, with a beautiful purple color. Every spring, Vicky goes to the village by her van to pick the violets for her vase. Yeah, so there were so many words that began with the sound V, like Vicky, violet, village, van, vase. Yes, they all began with the letter V, the sound V. To the homework sheet. Now in this sheet, I want you to color only the pictures that begin with the letter V, that begin with the sound V. Okay, so you look at the picture, try to name it, try to recognize what the name of the picture is, and if it begins with sound V, you color it. And if it does not begin with the sound V, the letter V, you do not color it. Okay, so you don't have to circle it, you have to color the pictures that begin with the sound V. Okay, let's look at the first one. What is this? This is a... No, this is not a car, it's a van. Okay, so it's van. The beginning sound in the word van is V. Yes, so you color the picture of the van. The next here is a picture of a cat. Now, cat. What's the beginning sound in the word cat? Cat. It's k. Yes, so you do not color the picture. Next is a picture of a dog. Dog. D-og. The beginning sound is d and not v. So we do not color. Next one is a picture of a vase. Yes, we use it to put in some beautiful flowers and decorate our house. Vase. The beginning sound of the word vase is v. So you color the picture. The next is a picture of it's a bird. Vulture. Now the word vulture again begins with the sound v. Yes, so you color the picture. The next is a picture of a volcano. Yes, it's a mountain, small mountain that is filled with hot lava. So it's called a volcano. Again, begins with the sound V, volcano. So you color the picture. Yes, so you can complete this sheet and attach it to your literacy notebook and submit it by tomorrow. Happy learning.